Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the mad scientist. Guys, today I'm going to show you a stone weapon. Basically, this is what the cavemen would use. For this, I was out fishing and I found a rock and some rope and a feather walking the bank of the Delaware River. So basically, I made trash treasure. But in reality, it's actually not trash because this is what the cavemen would use. For this, I just took a rock with an edge. I could make this sharper like the cavemen would, but I don't always like showing kids how to make weapons or be destructive. I just like doing it for educational purposes. So you take a rock. I basically tied the rope around the rock for the feather, and you could sharpen this point with another rock, and you just keep rubbing it. And this is what the cavemen would use to basically cut open a deer after they shoot it with stone arrowheads that they make, that I'll upload at a different time to show you how to make an arrowhead. But this is a stone knife, and it's very cool. Like I said, this is what the cavemen would use. To make this sharper, you just grab another rock and you keep grinding it, and it will get this sharp point to it, and it will basically cut anything you need it to cut. But this is what the cavemen would use, guys. It's very cool. Make trash treasure, guys. I do this kind of stuff a lot when I make other inventions and things like that, or do scientific experiments. But stuff like this, just finding a rock on the bank of a river and some rope and a feather, just goes to show you this is what the cavemen would use. It's very cool, guys. Always be original, creative, and explosive. See things that other people don't see, and educate people and make cool stuff like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of Dr. Fish showing you a caveman weapon. Dr. Fish out.